In this video, we're going to look at the agency payment experience. So what Managed App and Managed Pay mean for your business when it comes to processing rent and bill payments. You'll note when you log in as an agency, if you have a principal profile, you will see some funds waiting to be dispersed. Now this is your revenue that's being collected. If you are on instant payouts, you will receive individual transactions for all of your revenue. But what we highly recommend you do is speak to your accounts team at Managed App and change to either weekly or monthly payouts. That will streamline your bookkeeping and allow you to see your revenue as it accumulates without creating extra admin. When you need to change the bank account or set one in the first instance, you can do that from your settings tab and enter the BSBN account number for your general account. Remember, that's not your trust. That trust account doesn't exist anymore in our system. When it comes time to looking at transactions, you have a near identical view to the owner. You can visit the property, you can view the transactions tab, it will show you the rent, it will show you the paid to dates, you can download reports and you can see both upcoming and completed payments. You'll note in my example on the screen, I can see it's in a near identical format to internet banking. It's all ordered chronologically. I've got an amount, a date that it occurred and a description of that transaction. When I click on something, it will also show me the breakdown of the disbursements. So remember, in our system, you are no longer handling this money. You no longer have to do daily downloads. You no longer have to take that ABA file and upload that into your property management software. You no longer have to run reconciliations, and there's no such thing as unallocated funds. It's actually impossible in Managed App. You also no longer do disbursements. So there's no batch BPay files, no owner ABA files, agency payment files, all those kinds of things. And there's no such thing as end of month. It's fully automated from the receipts through to the transactions and the reporting. One important thing to remember is that there is a payment Q&A session and there is also payment FAQs available in our support section. So if you ever want to explain to your owners and tenants exactly how it works and all the major benefits, they're all in there. So you can let them know that you're using the fastest, most clear and most secure payment system for property management in the country. If you need to review the owner's statements, let's say your owner doesn't use email, or perhaps they lost one, they asked you to generate one for them, you can visit their financials tab of the property and download that statement for whatever period. Same goes with the end of financial year reports. You see exactly what they see and you can download those reports at any point in time. If you're interested to see how the owner is configured, you can click their profile. You can see any funds that might be waiting to go out to them. You can see the property they own and how they've got their payments configured for each individual management they may own. On the Reports tab, you can go over and visit your agency revenue. So when the system does those disbursements on each individual transaction, it will take back your management fee and send that to your bank account or your wallet. And it will also update this report where you can see a breakdown of all your income at any point in time, and you can download that as a PDF or a CSV.